welcome to today's video. Today we are doing a test or trial run using the Vinbrite filter kit for wines. This is the kit. I got it through Amazon, ran about $20 American. It looks like it's a pretty good system. I've already prepped the filter by running about a gallon of clean water through it to wash out any contaminants or loose bits on the filter. What I'm filtering is my strawberry mead, which I back sweetened with blood orange because it was rather dry and a little bit, the alcohol is a little bit too much for me. So what we're going to look at is, it's a siphon type setup, and what we have here is, this is the carboy with the unfiltered. It's been sitting about 2 weeks since I racked it, or about a week since I racked it. Sorry, let me just pull out, see if we can get a better image. There we go. It's still kind of cloudy. Then it's the siphon tube. Probably can't see the siphon tube. Then this is the filtered product here. And it's pretty clean. I'm using a coarse filter, and it does take a bit. I've been running the filter probably about 5-6 minutes now, and it's got about a little over a gallon, half gallon. Doing 3 gallons. The filter is it's a rather interesting setup. See if I can get it in the frame here. Get the tripod sit down. Let's try this. Okay, maybe not. Okay, this is the housing for the filter. It's a siphon type filter. I was going to try to use this here, the siphonless valve on the carboy, but the tube is too small to go over the thing, so I had to actually use it the way it's designed to use, siphoned. You have here, you put your finger on the bottom of the tube, which I may go back and show the setup after I get this done. And then it just kind of follows through the filter, kind of like coffee pot. I would not suggest using this for beer because of the chance of oxidation. And we'll set the camera down over here. You can see it draining. This is what the filter pad looks like. It's a one-shot, one-use pad. This is coarse pad. The kit came with a coarse, a fine, and a premium. Theoretically, what you would do is you would start with your coarse, and then you'd go through and do your fine, then you would do your premium and get it as clear as possible. With the way this is looking, I may just stop with the coarse. Let this just around, see if you can see it. It's coming out pretty clear. Needless to say, everything was sanitized before use. It's a pretty good setup. It's slow, but siphoning is slow. That is how that goes. Yeah, having camera difficulties today. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, I may go back and show the setup process, or I may do it in another video. So this was just a trial run. Just wanted to kind of document it going. Probably the next video I do on this, I'll go through all the steps on how to set it up, run the water through it, and all that crazy little stuff. The biggest problem I have, other than it being slow, is the cat likes to play with the tubing. But that's a cat for you. That's what they do. So until next time, peace. Okay, this is the bonus part of the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to crack the filter open. I'm going to look at the filter pad and see exactly how dirty it is, how much it actually filtered out. So I'm going to pull it apart, turn this to the sink. Pull this apart. There's the used filter pad. Smells good. Looks like a used coffee filter, kind of. Looks like there's some gooey bits and flakes and stuff that are on it. I don't know if you've seen the video that are darker than what's on the pad. So yeah, it looks like it did a good job. And we now have over here, pull this out. Three gallons of filtered mead. So all in all, I would use it again. When I get it and I filter it using the next finer filter, I will probably show the process of running the water to prep the filter and starting the siphon and all that. This video was just pretty much a "ooh, I've got a new toy" video. So, till next time, everybody, peace.